Welcome! In this tutorial, let's look at how to check the live class schedule and homework in Extramarks, the learning app. Log into your Extramarks account and click on the live class profile located at the bottom. Scroll down to check the scheduled classes and assigned homework for the current day. You can also check the same for the previous day and the next day as well. To see all the planned classes and assignments for the day, click View All. To attend a live class as per the specified schedule, simply click on it and then click on Join Now. To access your homework, click on any homework and then click on Attempt. You can switch to the day view calendar by simply clicking on this icon. Tap on the month to open the calendar. You may see all the planned lessons and assignments for that day by tapping on any date. You can also view the live class schedule and assignments by clicking on the Extramarks icon on the left and selecting My Schedule. It's time for you to go ahead and explore the Extramarks live classes. Happy learning!